Hi everyone, welcome back to OFW Wealth TV, your go-to channel for financial literacy and general finance tips. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss any of our future content. And the best websites to promote your social media presence in 2023? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to reveal the 15 ultimate websites that will skyrocket your reach, engagement, and growth. Get ready to unlock the secrets to dominating the social media game like a pro. Let's get started. Number 1. Instagram. Let's kick things off with the platform that's all about visuals. Instagram. With a staggering 1.35 billion active users, this photo and video sharing giant is a must for promoting your brand in 2023. Captivate your audience with eye-catching images and stories. And don't forget to use relevant hashtags to expand your reach. Leverage Instagram's various features like Reels and IGTV to keep your followers engaged and entertained. Number 2. LinkedIn. Next up, we have the unbeatable networking powerhouse, LinkedIn. With around 922.3 million active users, this professional networking site is a goldmine for businesses. Connect with industry peers, share valuable content, and establish yourself as an authority in your field. Join relevant groups, participate in discussions, and use LinkedIn's publishing platform to showcase your expertise. The opportunities for growth are endless. Number 3. TikTok. Are you ready to make a splash with the younger audience? TikTok is the place to be, boasting a jaw-dropping 1.2 billion active users. This short-form video platform is a global sensation. Embrace your creative side, create engaging content, and ride the viral wave to reach millions. Don't underestimate the power of trends and challenges. They can skyrocket your visibility and attract a loyal fan base. Number 4. YouTube. It's time to take video marketing to the next level with YouTube. This platform boasts an impressive 2.68 billion active users, making it the second largest search engine on the planet. Create high-quality, informative, and entertaining videos to capture your audience's attention. Optimize your content with relevant keywords and eye-catching thumbnails to boost visibility and subscriber count. Remember, consistency is the key to building a successful YouTube presence. Number 5. Pinterest. If visuals are your forte, then Pinterest is a goldmine for your brand. With 459 million active users, this visual discovery engine is perfect for displaying your products and services. Create visually stunning pins that link back to your website or social media channels. Utilize Pinterest's diverse categories to expand your reach and connect with a highly engaged audience looking for inspiration. Number 6. Twitter. When it comes to real-time updates and concise messaging, Twitter takes the lead. With 330 million active users, this microblogging platform allows you to share quick updates, engage tweets, and participate in trending conversations. Leverage relevant hashtags to join the discussions in your niche and attract new followers. Twitter's fast-paced nature can help you establish a strong online presence and keep your audience hooked. Many brands use Twitter as an alternate customer service channel. According to advertisers on Twitter, more than 80% of social customer service requests happen on Twitter, and Salesforce calls Twitter the new 1-800 number for customer service. Number 7. Facebook. The king of social media, Facebook still reigns supreme with a whopping 2.98 billion active users. Create a Facebook page for your business or brand. Share informative posts and interact with your audience through comments and Messenger. Utilize Facebook's advertising options to reach a highly targeted audience and promote your social media channels. Remember, engaging content and community interaction will keep your followers coming back for more. Number 8. Reddit. Looking to tap into niche communities and drive traffic to your social media? Reddit is the perfect platform. With 430 million active users, Reddit offers various subreddits where you can engage with like-minded individuals. Share valuable content, participate in discussions, and avoid overly promotional posts. Reddit rewards authenticity and valuable contributions, so be genuine and provide value to the community. Number 9. Quora. Answering questions can be a powerful way to promote your social media presence, and Quora makes it easy. With 300 million active users, this Q&A platform allows you to showcase your expertise and direct traffic to your channels. Look for questions related to your niche and provide insightful answers. Include links to your social media profiles when relevant, and watch your following grow as you establish yourself as an authority. Number 10. Snapchat. Want to connect with a younger, more tech-savvy audience? Snapchat is the answer. With 383 million active users, this platform is all about authenticity and ephemeral content. Share engaging snaps and stories to offer a glimpse behind the scenes of your brand. Use Snapchat's creative tools to add flair to your content, and don't forget to promote your other social media channels to maintain a strong online presence. Number 11. Tumblr. Tumblr is a hidden gem with 135 million monthly active users, offering a unique blend of microblogging and social networking. Create captivating blog posts and share multimedia content to connect with a creative and diverse audience. Tumblr's vibrant community appreciates originality and fresh perspectives, so let your creativity flow and watch your following grow. Tumblr also lets you customize your blog design. For this reason, many users opt to use their Tumblr account as their website. Number 12. Discord. Looking to foster a sense of community around your brand? Discord is the place to be. With 196.2 million monthly active users, Discord lets you create servers to engage with your audience in real time, host live chats, organize events, and offer exclusive content to build a loyal fan base. Remember, building strong relationships with your community is the key to long-term success on Discord. Number 13. Medium. If long-form content is your passion and you desire to expand your audience reach, then Medium is the ideal platform for you. With an active user base of 60 million, this blogging platform empowers you to publish in-depth articles and demonstrate your expertise. Craft compelling and captivating narratives that deeply resonate with your target audience, leveraging Medium's pre-existing reader base to gain valuable exposure and redirect readers to your social media channels. Number 14. Vimo. For creators and businesses seeking a more polished and artistic platform, Vimo is the perfect choice. Boasting 170 million active users, Vimo places a strong emphasis on high-quality videos, offering a refined viewing experience. Exhibit your creative works, promotional videos, or informative tutorials, and attract an audience that values attention to detail and excellence in video content. Number 15. Telegram. Telegram is a free messaging app that works across multiple devices with no limits on media sizes. It has 700 million active users. Telegram's distinctive feature is its end-to-end encryption for all activities, including chats, groups, and media shared between participants. Its focus on security has drawn more customers over the years, especially when WhatsApp announced changes to its privacy policy that would allow it to share information with parent company Meta. There are several ways brands can make use of Telegram, besides providing one-on-one customer support. For example, brands can create chatbots for the Telegram platform or make use of Telegram's channel feature to broadcast messages to up to 200,000 people. And there you have it, the ultimate list of 15 powerful websites to promote your social media in 2023. So don't wait any longer. Harness the power of these websites to maximize your reach and engagement in the coming year. Thank you for watching the video and hope you like it. We appreciate it if you leave a comment, like, hit the bell, or subscribe if you are new to the channel. Take care and see you next time.